In this guide, we are going over how you can unlock the new Clash Royale 6-7 emote and explaining why exactly that QR code might not be working for you. If you guys have seen my recent video, a lot of people have been asking why it's not working for them. It's saying it's already claimed, it might not be available, or it's only limited for an hour, and so on and so on. I've been getting a lot of comments. The point is, don't worry, the emote is still claimable. And before we dive into how you can claim it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first thing that I recommend doing, and this is the most simple fix out of all of them, is just completely closing out of Clash Royale and fully restarting everything. So swipe out of Clash Royale and then go ahead and restart your phone and try again using a different browser. This trick has personally fixed so many issues for me, and Clash Royale can be weird sometimes. But that is just one of the many fixes we're going over. Some of you guys are scanning the QR code but not using the link. If you're using the QR code, what you got to do, and this one will work for you just because it is a permanent QR code, but open up your device's camera, aim it at this QR code right here, select this Clash Royale option, and then select claim reward. I already have it, so it's going to say this for me. But this QR code is a permanent one. If this does not work for you, I'm going to leave a link down in the description for you guys to go ahead and use. One usually fixes the other. It's a super common issue. And finally, just stay updated. I'm going to be doing my best to update you guys with more videos if Clash Royale does change it, because supposedly Clash Royale has been changing the QR codes and making this extremely limited. There's been limited codes, there's been region-specific codes, there's been updated claim links, so just make sure you subscribe to the channel with all notifications on just so you don't miss an updated code, because I'm going to post it the second it does drop. But that is it. You now have the 6-7 emote. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.